Hello everyone, friends. Welcome to this review. Today, I'll show you how the Bialetti coffee grinder works. This is the official Bialetti grinder that I purchased on Amazon. The operation is very simple. It's a manual grinder. To insert the coffee beans, we first need to remove the knob, or handle, dial, call it whatever you like, then pour the beans inside the grinder. I already have some in there, so we'll leave it as is. At this point, we need to screw the knob back on, and we're ready to grind. Before doing that, let me show you the adjustment ring at the bottom, which allows you to set the grind size from 1 to 6. 1 is the finest grind, while 6 is the coarsest. Once the coffee is ground, you need to unscrew the bottom part, where you'll find a small plastic cup that collects the ground coffee. This cup also doubles as a measuring scoop, allowing you to dose up to 6 cups of coffee. If you prefer, you can grind the coffee directly into the mocha pot without using the cup. In fact, it's even more convenient because you don't have to screw and unscrew everything each time. If the cup isn't screwed in properly, the ring might not align correctly with the selected grind number. In my case, today I'll use the cup. Be careful when inserting it. There's a small plastic piece that needs to be positioned correctly to prevent the cup from rotating while grinding. For this preparation, since I want a long American-style coffee, I'll set the grind size to 3 or 4, avoiding an overly fine grind. Now let's grind. There, it's working. Oh, the coffee is finished. Actually, I had already ground some before starting the video, so this is fine. As I mentioned in another video, I never completely fill the mocha pot filter because I prefer a milder coffee. Now let's place the ground coffee into the filter without pressing it too much, and it's ready to be used in the mocha pot. The package also comes with a small cleaning brush, which we can use to clean the inside of the grinder. You can store it in its slot, making sure to close the lid properly. Final thoughts. I like it because it's the official Bialetti grinder. It grinds well, and it pairs perfectly with the mocha pot. However, I find it a bit inconvenient to remove the knob every time I need to add coffee beans. Many grinders work this way, but it would have been nice to have a small lid to open without having to unscrew everything. As for the materials, it's almost entirely plastic, except for the internal gears. Even the cup is plastic. On the American Amazon market, the price is quite high. Without mentioning specific numbers, it could have been a bit cheaper. That said, it's a well-made and practical product, perfect for those who love freshly ground coffee. Now, I'll prepare my coffee and enjoy it in my favorite mug. Thanks for watching this review. See you next time.